Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have 2013 Volkswagen Golf GTI, stock number 6493. This ran from the 12th 2012 to the 8th 2020. It has a CHHB 2-litre turbo 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the CHHB 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol turbo engine. Left front door mirror. Left rear door no dents, left rear 19-inch factory aluminum tyre, rear tailgate, right rear 19-inch factory aluminum tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door one small stone chip, right front 19-inch factory aluminum tyre, right front door guard, right front license switch, centre console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,